For me, this is easy $20,000.
Yeah, I'm not just looking for a paycheck. I'm looking for something to just
You're
write
addicted.
home to mom about, you know.
You're addicted. That's what.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you can find in a storage unit. Like I said. What's up, guys? I'm here at one of my main jewelry buyer's house and dropping off some silver he won off me on eBay. And I want to take a minute to show you guys the extensive collection that he has purchased off. A lot from me and a little bit from Alex and Scott over the years. He's probably been one of my customers for at least 8 years, but he's bought a massive amount of jewelry off of all of us storage guys. And just take a look at this stuff. Tell me that is not pretty much lightweight amazing. This is all 14 karat gold. So much 14 karat gold, it's not even funny. See if I can guess which ones. It's hard to, I feel like you bought that off me. You did buy some gold charms off me, but you usually like silver ones. He's bought a lot of my silver too. Look at this stuff. He will be selling this stuff soon on his eBay. When that time comes, I will notify everybody. I know he definitely bought this one off me. Some things you can't remember. I've sold so much gold over the years, there's no way to tell you each and every piece. But I know a lot of these pieces did come from me. Look at those beautiful gems. This right here is 14 karat gold, solid, heavy. Diamonds for days. Were these the diamond earrings you were telling me that you had for sale?
These were listed out that I showed you, the small ones.
Because I have somebody who's trying to buy some diamond earrings.
The bigger ones are with my daughters.
Like half carats?
Anything half carats are gone.
That's beautiful. So there's like only quarter carats for sale? Is that a Mickey? That's a mini, alright. I almost had to buy that one. I'm gonna have a piece of jewelry constructed tomorrow.
Mario?
Yeah. There's a quality chain there. Those are nice diamonds. Are those real?
No.
Okay, I can't show them that. I think you got... That one looks familiar.
Could be. I bought a lot of lavender. Still looking for that.
This is definitely from me. This is from the time... You know when you got this, I think?
I have no clue.
Remember the time you got the 18 karat pencil?
You mean my sister?
Oh, your sister got the pencil. Okay.
Yeah, the pen, that fancy pen.
Yeah.
You Scott at the warehouse?
Yeah.
Possibly, yeah.
14 karat or 18 karat or antique. That was a great unit. That was in the, what was the horse's name from that unit? Remember it was a Rex, the horse. It was a very famous horse. He was more famous than Mr. Ed. We had all his movie memorabilia.
That's at my sister's house. It's pretty disgusting, Mike.
What?
You see how much jewelry my sister bought through me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Because you always be like, I'm going to get this one for my sister.
This is probably maybe 10%. It's pretty sick, man.
It's nice. It's good to invest your money in something worthwhile versus buying, like, you know, to me, like comic books and baseball cards and stuff. They have a very up and down markets. I was in an argument the other day about how gold was, and somebody's trying to tell me that gold, if the world ended, gold wouldn't be that important. It only has a value because you give it value. But it really is the #1 commodity.
It's been for centuries.
That's a nice one. Look at all these pieces. Are these 14 karat too?
Those I think 10.
Oh, these are 10. That's not as valuable, everybody. You want to spend some money, this baby could be for sale.
Yeah.
I think a lot of these are from me.
A lot of them are from you, Mike.
There's no way to tell. You don't initial them.
No.
I would, you know what? I'd almost rock that one at a different time. See how I'm rocking pink nail polish, Benji?
I heard.
That's what happens when you fall asleep in front of Liz, Alex, and the Jeebus family. You complete. Ooh, I think that came from me too.
I think that came from you.
Because you usually like all my brooches.
I do.
Egyptian, eh?
Not marked.
But you
18
tested it?
I tested this 18 karat gold. Those are from here, I think.
Those ones right
Those
there?
opals, yeah. That is from here too.
That's a nice emerald. Look at all this beautiful gold.
Easy focus on that one. That's like,
I did show them this one. I told them it's very heavy and it's a Masonic emblem. We should take that one out and show them. Ordo Abchao Desmeunk. That sounds like some Latin or Greek. Probably means something very important and serious. See that little face? Oh, no, it's an eagle. That is nice. Presented to Charles B. Williams. San Jose Scottish Rite Bodies. That is nice. What do you estimate the value on something like that?
probably about 14, 15.
Ooh, nice. I think we already looked at that. Wouldn't that be nice if that was a real diamond? I think I know this one. I swear you got that one from me.
Strongly. I think this diamond over here is yours.
Oh, you got that from me?
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't have sold that. Oh, that's,
Yep, you did.
nowadays I wouldn't. I'd want to keep that one.
I don't think you would.
I would rock that. Because I'm looking for something. I need a good purple stone. I need a blue stone. But every time I find one that it says it's girly usually, like the one, like I'd almost rock that one. Look at all that jewelry. Wow. I had one like that the other day, kind of.
This one's kind of interesting. This piece right here.
Yeah.
These on the side are all real diamonds.
You got that from me.
Yeah.
I remember, as soon as you said that, I remember that because I wanted that big diamond to be real.
Yes. I told
But
you
it wasn't.
easy.
Sadly. I think you got this one from me. I feel like you did.
I think most, at least 90% is yours. About
This
3
one's-
years. 3-4 years now.
Well, I can't remember. I've sold tens and tens and, well, oh yes. I remember it now.
Look at all this.
Pattern.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it has small.
And you have it all clean before you put it. I could tell that you had cleaned every piece before you put it away.
Wow. It's good to clean.
Minnie.
Are you sure it's me?
Yeah, it says you have it written down as Mickey Mouse, but I clearly know Minnie and Mickey.
He's gonna pay me easy $300.
So that's for $300. You guys want that?
Yeah. This is a pendant / charm, religious, right?
Yeah.
So this is probably about another $300. 14 karat gold, right? So you start adding this,
Oh yeah.
and
diamond bracelet.
it gets to real high numbers. For me, this is easy $20,000
Yeah.
for me, because I'm not gonna be one of those guys who's gonna be desperate to sell it.
Well, it doesn't have to necessarily be desperate. Like when I sell something, I don't think I'm selling it because I'm desperate. I just go for the scrap because I'm ready to move on. Unless it's, you know me, I like to buy. I will sell something for its worth if it's worth it. But you know how I am. I move fast on this regular
Like
stuff.
you're in the goal. You're in a goal-minded set. Your business model is because you want to beat yourself.
Yeah.
You want to beat that freaking $26,000 locker.
Well, I've been the curse of the lock safe. I've been hearing a lot of people lately saying, like in my videos, that I don't even know what I'm looking for. They think because I toss a pottery that has a very unknown name, or I toss a Pyrex dish that I don't know anything about this business. They don't realize how much that I really spend researching things and actually know about stuff.
But you know stuff. I mean, you can. I mean, you're not at certain areas you're weak in.
Yeah.
I mean, I know that for a fact.
What would you
because
say my weakest area is?
Glass is
Glass.
probably the weakest. Navajo is probably one of the weakest, except for rugs.
Unless they're marked clearly Navajo.
Yeah. But most of the people lack in glass. And
Yeah.
glass can make you big money. Artwork, you're pretty good. It's just finding the right buyer at the right time.
I got some artwork right now. Man.
All varies, Mike. I mean, you know your stuff, though. I mean, to a point where you're making good money. But the thing is you're not maximizing money because you're on a hunt for that one locker that
I'm not just looking for a paycheck. I'm looking for something to just
You're addicted.
write home to mom about, you know.
You're addicted. That's what.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you can find in a storage unit. Like I said, a large portion of this came from me. Some came from Alex. Some came from Scott, and maybe even a few other storage buyers. I would speculate because that's who Benji deals with.
About it.
So don't be afraid to get out there and spend your money and start a new business. But keep in mind, this ain't in everything. It's no different than going in the mountains,
Hey, Mike.
panning for gold.